Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is how you can use a vlookup with an external file. Now, I already have the other file open. Let me go down to it here. There we go, products under vlookup external. So same principles apply. I just come up here to formulas. I'm going to go to insert function. I'm just going to go to vlookup. Or actually, no, what I'll do is I'll come back here, go to my lookup and reference, go down to my vlookup. All right, the thing that's in common is going to be my product key, which is here, and then my table array. I'm just going to now for the table array, this is where you go to the external file. Come down to this one, and I'm just going to highlight the first 4 columns because that's all I want for this exercise. Now just note that when I bring in an external file in the table array, it references both the name of the file, the sheet name, and it also locks the columns as well. And the column index number is, and let me just click up here to this one. I happen to know that's column number 3. Or sorry, column number 2. And then click false. And then click OK. False just means, again, I want an exact match. All right, so there we go. Now, what I want to do is I want to just be able to copy this across, and I also want to add a vlookup. So I'm going to come up here to my FX, and I come to this one, and I press F4 or function F4 until this reads $A2, and then I click OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this across, and I'm just going to edit the product name up here to 4 because I know it's column 4, and just press enter. And then once I got the 2 of them done, I just highlight to here, and then I can just double click on the corner to copy it all the way down. There we go. And that goes all the way down as is. Now, one thing to mention is that because it's referencing an external file, all right, you might find, and if you need to, find out what the name of the file is, if you come up here to data, and you'll see here it says workbook links. Now, if there's no external file referenced in it, the workbook links one will not be available. So if I click on workbook links, okay, and I come over to this one, it's referencing the 2 files. And if I click over here beside the cog, let me see now what it says on the cog. It tells me, see there, I can ask to refresh, always refresh, or don't refresh the links. And the other thing then just beside it, and refreshing just means that next time it's opened, it will open it up altogether. Now, if for some reason I can't find it, okay, what I can do is I come over here, I can go to, let's say, open the workbook, copy link, or if I know it's moved to another location, I can just go to change source and then just navigate to another location. All right, so just to bear that in mind, that would be the place that you lose it from. And again, if you want to send it to an external person and you don't want to have any links on it, you just click on break all, and that means any links to the external file will be broken. Okay. Hope you find this useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.